and thought I would cut a bottom for my Intex 400. And what I'm doing, I mean, I know that there are people who are measuring and really like going hardcore on getting it exact, but what I did is I just blew up the bottom, tied up the sides so that they wouldn't get in the way, and I'm just going to trace it. You know, you don't need it to go really, really tight on this. You just need the general form. Got me a small pencil and so you can see that it's a super, super rough line, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm just going to straighten it up with a bit of a straight edge some and try to make it a little bit more symmetrical. But this tracing took me all of like, you know, a minute. It's been all of like, I don't know, 5 minutes so far, and the majority of the time was me trying to get it on the sawhorse. So this is how it came out. I mean, I'm gonna have to smooth it up just a little bit right there, but aside from that, I think did a pretty darn good job tracing. Yeah, I mean, it's looking good. And if I had tools to do like exact measurements, I'm sure it would have been a lot easier, but I don't. So it's just another option. Altogether, doing it by myself, I'd say it was like 15 minutes worth of work.